Guards are fucking broken. Get rid of the guards. Hit the guards over the wall. I'm gonna hash you the mage down.
They're coming.
They come.
Front line, that's my duty for you. Good. Flexer, keep an eye on that southeast wall. Yo, kill that mage inside of us. Good. Get rid of the B-roll. Listen, boys. We're gonna go in 5 seconds. North, past the gate, okay? Flat northeast. Wait. Only takes
They're looking.
They're coming.
Potion. Walking. Look northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep northeast. Look my house. Look at my house. Come back southwest. The mage is gonna fuck us up. We need to figure out a way to deal with the mage. Kill this guard. Keep killing the guards. Step up and hug the west corner.
Kill this tank.
Kill the tank inside of us. CC, lock him. Kill him. Nice.
We have CDC.
Nice. They have CDs now.
They're coming to the front.
Front line. Heal me. I'm dead.
Yo, step. Yeah, wait. Come back. Hold outside. Hold in the gate. Fusion W is the beetle inside of us.
Somebody pick up the banner from me.
I have it.
Yeah. Somebody pick up the banner, please. Hold it for now. Don't come to the gate. Wait, chill for now. We wait for that. Just chill. Wait, we're gonna try to counter over the wall next time. For now, just chill. The tanks look on the northeast side, please. They look soon. Wait. They're coming. Defense Sofista. Wait, chill for now. Just chill. Fusion W the bottom one. Yo, look at the bottom one. Fusion W the beetle. Wait, chill. Come back to me. Wait. Listen, we foot up on this beetle. He's FK on the beetle, on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, full engage. He's FK. Kill the beetle. He's mounting, he's FK. Kill him. He's FK. Kill him. Kill the beetle. He's west. Look, east. Defense east. Nice, beautiful defensive. Nice. Did you kill the beetle? Okay, nice. Chill for now. We don't have CDs. Chill. Yo, a tank, look at southeast is always okay. There is flag. Just chill for now. Chill. Let's see if bully this. There is another beetle in front of us. Q's and W's. Whenever he step inside of us, Q's and W the beetle, please. Wait. They're gonna always engage from the east side. Be ready to stop them. The next time we're gonna counter on them over the wall. You just drop on the southwest side. You don't need to go through the gate. You just drop over the wall. Okay? Wait. They're looking soon. Chill. They're looking soon. They're coming. Defense now. We counter in the east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall. Drop damage. Come back. Come back. East 3. Come back. Southwest. East 3. Come back. Southwest. Come back. Healer step up and have my tanks in front of us. Come back. Nice.
Yo, Dak, you need to use your E, bro, on our engages, man.
Wait for us when we're going back. No, in the choke.
5 seconds and they have CDs. Watch out.
Look. Give me the fancy. Wait, come back now. Alpha lies on the gate. And come back. My tanks, come back. Come back. Come back. They're deep inside. Wait and chill for now.
Okay, listen. I need 3 hammers on that southeast gate. Start whacking it. The southeast gate and the southeast wall, start whacking it. 3 hammers. Preferably DPS players.
They look soon, be careful. They're looking.
Yo, Sam, walk over to them with the banner. The people whacking the gate, southeast, walk over to them with the banner. Help them.
Be careful with the tank in front of. Come back to me.
We broke the gate. Okay, listen, boys. Yeah. Break the wall as well. Break the wall as well.
Watch out, they're looking.
Break the southeast wall as well.
Come southeast,
Or take over that space.
If you go southeast, watch out with the wall, because they can literally...
Break over the wall. Yo, come southeast. Come up this platform. Clear the guard and break the walls. Come up this platform. Clear the guards and break all the walls. Every wall must be gone. Sam, can you give me the banner so I can go scout?
Yes. You under the sword.
Thank you. Yo, clear the guards. Clear the guards and break all the walls. We'll take south screen and we'll play Baron. Break everything. Break the northwest first so we have an exit. We need hammers on the northwest, please. What's the percentage on it?
70,
67.
65.
Watch out with... it's slowly. Okay.
Kill this guard, kill this guard. If you're not hammering, kill the guard, kill the guard, kill the guard. Kill the guard, kill the guard, please. Kill the guard, please. This is gonna give good vision for the GA Brim and for everybody else. Finish the gates, finish the gates, finish the gates.
Wow. Do you see where is the ballista?
Nice.
You
I'm east
receive
now, I'm east now, I'm
mace
east now.
damage.
I'm east. No, don't go down, don't go down. Finish the walls on the east, finish the walls on the east, and the gate. Break the gate as well. Can we break it when it's open?
I'm not sure about it.
Okay, it's closed. Whack it now, whack it now.
Yeah, I can open it, but
You can whack it on the other side, from the other side.
Yeah, I need some people whacking it.
You
Can't
have a
risk
behemoth on the...
Blocking
on
it
the-
behind us. Break it. And some people whack the northeast wall. Good. That's smart. Good. Where's my fucking banner?
There's a
Uh,
I
button.
have it? I have it.
Yes,
you?
yes.
Okay, please stop opening the gate, man. Just break it, please.
I'm closing it.
You have one beetle, but it's a don't go for it. No.
Okay, this one on the northeast, keep it open. This one on the northeast, just keep it open. It's fine. Just break the one in the middle. I need you guys to break the one in the middle. Random. Ooh, stop, bro. Okay, come. Break the gate in the middle. And then we're gonna start pushing in, boys. Let's go. Those, you should have a good screen right now to bomb from. Start breaking this east-northeast wall, boys. Start breaking this northeast wall once you're done with that gate. Start breaking the northeast wall once you're
The
done with
northwest,
that gate.
the northwest wall,
Northeast,
man. You're gonna
northeast.
get damage from the mage.
Yeah,
So-
don't aggro the mage, please. Don't aggro the mage. You're gonna fuck our day up. Just whack the wall on the northeast. So we have space to get.
Watch out, engage.
Fast now. The GA Brim should be raping them right now. Help them, heal them on the west, give them a guard rune. Keep whacking the gates on the wall. Just keep whacking the gates on the wall. Diagro the mage, please. I said northeast, bro. I said northeast. Eltolex. Please. Only my one-handed arcanes and defensive. Defensive not. Mamma mia. My guard runes, please. Don't whack. If you're on Oathkeeper, don't whack. Just be ready to spam it on the fucking
They
gate.
have 10 seconds for CD, so watch out.
Whack the gate. They're looking.
5%.
Whack the gate and the wall. Break the gate and the wall.
The wall is gone.
Knee is broken.
Yo, on this tank. No. Come back. Finish the gate.
there's a behemoth southeast behind you.
Just,
Just saying.
please, Rashiro. Finish the gate. Be ready to help my people whacking the gate. Boys, don't. Oi. Defensive on the gate. They're bombing. Hey, hit the gate. Walk up and be ready to help PLM. Walk up.
Mage is aggro.
Look northeast, shallow, past the beetle. Northeast, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast, shallow. On me. Good. Very good. Finally, come back southwest now. Bellissimo. Come back southwest. Heal the front. He's inside. Heal Nilly. Finish that gate, please. Finish that gate, boys. I'll pick up some loot. Trash. The sauce. This guy ditched his mount, bro. Cheap ass motherfucker. Oh, the
Watch out,
call.
they're looking.
They're looking.
Watch out.
Yo,
By the west
come
side.
back. Finish the gate.
Okay.
Finish the gate. My ballista, my behemoth. Put some work. And Diagro the mage, por favor.
The gate
Yo,
is
look
gone.
northeast again. Look north again, boys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North shallow. On me. me, on me, on me, on me, on me, on me, on me. Come back south, come back south, come back south, come back south. The aggro the mage, come south, come south, come south. Heal the front line, heal the tanks, heal the tanks, heal the tank, heal the tanks, heal the tanks, heal the tanks. Come down the hill, come downstairs, come downstairs, come downstairs, come downstairs, come downstairs. Fully downstairs. The aggro, come. Reset, 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 reset. Break the western wall now. Break the western wall. Break the western wall. The aggro the mage. Break the western wall. I'm here with the banner for you. Chain oath keepers on the western wall, please. Okay, they're back. Defensive front line, defensive front line, defensive front line. Heal them, heal them, heal them, heal them, heal them, heal them. Good heals, nice. Oh, that Hallowfall Takil, bro. Amazing enigmatic meat hook. Good job, bro. Yo, on this beetle, CC the beetle, CC the beetle, CC the beetle on the east. We're gonna full engage him. CC him, CC him, CC him, CC him, CC him, CC him, CC him. We're gonna full engage him. Ballista on the beetle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full on the beetle, full on the beetle, full on the beetle. Yo, heal me, heal me, heal me, heal me, heal me, heal me, heal me. Heal me, I'm gonna get clapped, bro. Please, healers, man. Come south.
They're coming to the top.
Come south, come south, come south, come south. Come south, come south. Lenny, bro. Are you overweight?
No,
Come
we're
south, come south.
16.
Finish the gate, finish the gate, finish the gate. Heal, please, heal. I don't know why the mage is still aggroed. Holy shit.
Because TLM is taking the aggro. I see a few times.
From
where
this
TLM
angle, you don't aggro where I am. That's
Please,
the west side.
guard rune and whack the gate. Guard rune, defensive front line, defensive front line, defensive front line, defensive front line, defensive front line. Good enigmatic, good demons. Nice, 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 nice. Keep whacking the gate, keep whacking the gate, keep whacking the gate, keep whacking the gate. Keep whacking the gate. The wall, keep whacking the wall. The wall is almost broken. Percentage, Simon?
17, 16, 15.
Okay, nice, nice.
From
nice.
my angle, you don't aggro the mage.
Finish these walls
Five,
so we can
seven.
start percenting.
They had CD already.
He's gone, he's gone, he's gone.
Okay, the next one.
He's 22%.
Okay, just finish it, finish it. We're gonna need defensives, one more round of defensives, boys.
Then engaging.
I'm set defensive, not defensive, not defensive, not defensive, not defensive, not defensive, not defensive, not. Nobody dies, nobody dies, nobody dies. Good. Finish the gate, finish the gate, finish the wall when I have no CDs. Finish the wall, finish the wall,
Seven.
finish the wall. Finish the wall, finish the wall, finish the wall, finish the wall, finish the wall.
He's gone now, he's gone, he's gone, he's gone.
Okay, come up slowly and kill this
Not
mage. Kill this
television
mage.
from you.
Kill the mage, kill the mage. The mage has empowering beam. You have to kill the mage. You have to kill the mage. The small mage over the wall. Kill him. And we need heals on front line. We need heals. Tap us off, tap us off, tap us off. Get ready for the we're gonna bait their engagement, we're gonna counter. Defensive, not defensive, not defensive, not. North boys in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North, one shot them, one shot them, one shot them, one shot them, one shot them in the choke, one shot them in choke, one shot them in choke, one shot them in choke. More damage, more damage, more damage. Come south, come south, come south, come south. Heal up, heal up, heal up, heal up, heal up. Tap everyone off, tap everyone off, tap everyone off. Heal up, heal tribe you, heal tribe you. Everybody must be full HP. Don't walk up unless you're full HP. Don't walk up. Rose, you're good on the east? Okay. Yo, heal, please, man. Yeah, okay, listen. My whole Zerg comes south. Everyone comes south. Everyone. Reset the mage. Just fully reset the mage. Come south. Heal us up.
Golamid behind you.
Look
Don't worry,
northwest.
don't worry. I just
Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest on their D-tanks. Northwest on their D-tanks. Kill the tanks inside of us. CC lock them and kill them. 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 CC lock. Look at this tank. Okay. Wait now. Wait for the engage. Wait. Chill. Don't aggro the mage. Don't go to the front. Defensive now. Defensive now. Defensive now. Good enigmatic. Walk up now. Walk up now. Walk up now. Walk up. 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 North. Past the mage. 5. Past the mage. 4, 3, 2, 1. North past the mage. North past the mage. North past the mage. North past the mage. Come back south now. Come back south now. You drop damage fast and you come back south. Please. Please don't let the mage wipe us, bro. Please, man. Come south. Come south. Sprint south. Sprint if you have to. Sprint. He'll just be on. Where are you? Man, help your front line, bro.
No,
You
they're
guys
looking
have
for a
damage.
witch.
Defensive front line. Defensive front line. Heal it. Heal it. Heal it. Heal it. Heal it. Heal skim. Heal skim. Heal skim. Heal skim. You still died. Unlucky. Do we say, oh, we didn't kill the small mage. Man, please, kill the small mage over the wall. Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him, please. Kill that small mage over the wall. Otherwise, we're gonna get farmed.
They had CD.
Kill the small mage over the wall. Kill the small mage over the wall. My healers, you have to work double time. Spam Qs
They're
on your
looking
front
up.
line.
Watch out, man. They're looking for you.
Yo, I'm gonna hash the sentry. I'm gonna hash the sentry down, and I'm gonna full engage him. Okay. Okay. Perfect. This one's dead. All right. Full engage on the sentry. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full engage the sentry upstairs. Full engage the sentry. Everything on the sentry. Everything on the sentry. Everything on the sentry. Come back down now. Come back down. 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 Defensive and choke. Defensive and choke. Full defensive. Full defensive. Full defensive. Yo, heal. Heal. How are you guys all the way there? Lenny, bro. What's wrong with you? Why are my tanks all the way at the platform? Please. Yo, kill the tanks inside of us. 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 My ballistas, do some work on the side. Why are you funneling with us through the same choke? Somebody rest Denny if possible. Look north, shallow north, on the mage again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on the mage, on the sentry mage. Where's my damnation? Por favor, come south. Who's on damnation, man? Who?
They're coming.
South. Heal the front line. Heal the front line. Yo, heals on the east. Okay, look north again, on the mage. Come. Simon, you're gonna fake for me, Simon, in 3, in 2,
Wait, I'm staggered.
in 1. Okay, yeah, just fake for me whenever you have it.
I fake it. They're coming.
Listen, now, look north, boys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look north. Hit side of us. Come south. Heal Simon.
Simon need heals.
Heal Simon. Kill this tank inside of us. Full CC him and kill him. Okay, hold back here. Listen, guys. Okay, either you're gonna play, or fuck off to whatever the fuck you wanna do. Honestly. I'm done, bro. Like, you're an oath keeper. What are you doing in the choke getting one shot? Just put your damn guard rune, man. Put the fucking guard rune and walk back, bro. Jesus fucking Christ. We're gonna wait for Rigirs. Just
I
wait.
already used the GA.
Just wait. Yo, my ballista, please, man. Here, there's a beetle right in front of us, inside of us. Can you press E on it? My ballista, hello. Look, you see him? You see him channeling inside of us? Can you channel on him? Nice, that's crazy. Defensive front line. Good. We're looking to engage on the mage again. Fast and come back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the mage on the east. Hit the mage and come back. Hit the mage. Just hit the mage. We need to kill the mage. The problem is not the Zerg. The problem is the mage. Yo, Rose, also drop on the mage, yeah? Kill this tank. CC, lock him. CC, lock him.
They're looking.
They're looking. They're going to engage on top of him. Come back south now. It's fine. Just come back. Defensive. Potion. Come south. Good. Yo, the mage on the east again. See, you're going to hit him through the wall, through the gate. See the mage? He's north of the gate. You're just going to hit him through the gate. On the mage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the mage. Hit the mage, man. Please, bro, come south. Defensive front line, defensive. That's my duty for you, defensives. Good heals. Stabilize here, spread.
Shay, northwest.
Battle Mount Driver.
Please focus. Drop on the mage. Drop your damage on the mage once, man. My DPS, my glorious DPS play. My beautiful S tier. I only play DPS, bro, because I'm so good at DPS players. Okay, over the wall on the mage again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall. On me. Hit the mage. Heal me on the front. Come back south.